What's up, Boner World? Welcome back to another PACYBITS unopening. I got a lot of packs ready for us to unopen. It's going to be a long episode and an exciting one, hopefully. So, right here, we got 46 special plus packs. Yeah, I'm not really going to open these. And we also got all of these to open. So, yeah, let's start with the crap ones first, right? Let's get these out of the way. Griezmann, screw that, Mega. Or, of course, I'm going to take the new people instead of the people I already have. And then if there's no one new, then I'm going to take the highest selling character. Fucked your girl on camera roll. That's cause she a hoe. La Uzi, hope you're prepared for the ride. You guys like my singing? Wait, chop it off the bread. How long do it take? Patricio. Screw that asshole, Patricio, bruh. Mafia, all I see is dicks. Wait, what? Alright, these ones are going to be terrible because they're only 84 to 88, but hopefully I get a bunch of like new people. Yeah, like these megas. Sorry. AP flooded out my paddock. Yeah, I knew Reza. Diamond Reza. I have patience. Cartier, Diamond Ribbons. Why you hate? Whoa, team of the season. Wait. Chop it up. 100. I'm surprised I don't have that mega already. Diamond water like an ocean, like a lake. Flashback. Baba Booey. That's good. Oh, Curtis. I've got to take Curtis. Diamond water like an ocean, like a lake. Patricio once again. Man of the match, or that's not man of the match. That's like your Europa League or some gayness. Fuck your girl. That's cause she a hoe. I'm actually not getting that bad at people. I think I'm getting all new because that's like what it does. Screw this Mega Gomez, bro. Ochoa. Gomez once again. Here, give me a Ochoa. RB host. Alright, everyone. Right now, make a comment. What song is going to come up next? I'm going to say it's a Beatles song. Oh, Hulk. 6 seconds. 6 seconds to make your predictions. Van der Sar. Oh, it's Smile. Juice WRLD. Or Sad for those megas listen to the leaks. Give me this mega. Alright, those are the player picks out of the way. Anything in my power. Now we get to open 46 packs. This is actually going to take a long-ass time. Oh, what the hell? First pack? Who are we going to get? It's Ronaldo. Nope. I don't even know who that is. Oh, that mega. If the gayest Premier League didn't sue these megas, we're an icon. Florenzi. Dang. I almost had it. That I can't satisfy. I pray that I get it right this time. Maybe we'll be alright. Team of the season. Who's he gonna be? Give me like 99 Messi. Come on. Is that whoa, what? Who is this? Who is this? Oh, a terrible one. In my power to see you just smile. I want you to prosper and come proper, even if that means I'm by your side. Shapeshifter. Oh, this is one to watch. I hate that card design. That card design looks like trash, bruh. Europa League megas. I just want to see you smile. Don't cry. Even though it means I gotta let you go. That's man of the match right there. The man of the match. Don't these normally suck? They had I remember this. They had a man of the match was green, I think 2015. And they had the man of the match in Neymar. It was like 15 million coins. Oh, icon. There right beside you. Beside you. 100. Kaka. Give me Kaka. Or it might actually be. Or it's Ronaldinho. Oh, I was right, Kaka. Ronaldinho. Oh, no, he does. For one of his cards, does. Oh, give me Messi. Come on. Give me Messi. Harry Kane. Nope. And my power. Oh my god, I was looking for my drink. I couldn't see it. It's because it was like perfectly set behind my phone. Really? Give me Lang. Hey, yo, where the fuck is Mario Judah? See if Mario Judah has dropped yet. No, he hasn't. Did he actually? Why did he actually come up with the Rockstar song? What? Die very rough. Time for you to die very rough. Mega's a memer. What is this? Is this a shapeshifter? Oh, it's a flashback. I don't know who this could be. Oh, is it River? What's his name? Nope, never mind. Oh, it's Baba Booey. I was gonna say like Rubery or whatever. The Mega used to be so good. Oh, this is shit. It's just gonna be terrible. It's gonna be like freaking Corto. Nope, never mind. Who is this? Areola? Nope, never mind. Oh, Shaquifa. Yeah. I should have known Shaquifa. Hey, $100 whoever guesses what the song is right now. 3, 2, 1. Remedy for a Broken Heart. Leave a comment if you got that right. Martinez. Oh, what? How come you didn't say that I got Royce? Bro, is Floyd... Why is Floyd fighting Logan? He's just giving Logan money, bro. I guess he just wants to freaking beat him to a pulp and kill him. Respect. Julian. The fuck? Why does it give me like 79 Julian instead of Benzema, bro? Or right there. Why did it give me... Oh. Messi, come on. Come on, Messi. Come on, Messi. Oh, is it... What's his name? Asshole Rodriguez. Oh, what? That's Rodriguez's flag, right? The freaking club doesn't count because none of them are the right thing because they got freaking sued for their likeliness, so... Oh, I am falling for you, falling for... Stop giving me these man of the match bullshit, dude. I don't want that. Oh, here we go. See if we can get anything good in these. Honestly, Figo or Eusebio, whatever his fucking name is. Oh yeah, Figo. There you go. No, but the only icon I really need is 99 Pele Maradona. Cause I got like almost every single one. I got like this is Dan as well. Oh, give me Messi. Oh, wait, what? What is this? What? Okay. Damn, I didn't even know that was an option. That's like my 5th highest card now. Hey, $100 if anyone gets the song. It's Yacht Club. I don't know if you got that. If you got that, leave a comment. Come on, Pele. Owen. Give me Michael Owen. Michael was English, right? Oh, Scholes. My bad. Air it out. Pull up to my spot and I air it out. But that Mega Rooney. I remember that Mega was good. Before I wear it out, I be sipping lean, trying to slow it down. Burgess. Burger Mega. Throw a party like Rolling Loud. Coke. Bless up. She told me I'm a god. Get on her knees. Fucking fashion. Oh, look at that. I don't know. I'm gonna talk. I'm gonna get my spit in the west. Final pack. Final pack, boys. What are we gonna get? Oh my god. Come on. These megas suck. Alright, let's open some of these then. See if we get anything good out of these. Canada. It's a Texas. I don't know Drake shit. I don't care. I don't really want to open these. Alright, let's there's like no good packs. I guess let's open these guys. We'll open a couple of these guys. We'll open them until we get something really good. And a stroller. And a deeply brought like a roller. No games, but a Xbox controller. Like a nerd doing homework. Or don't cancel. Running up bands, got my guap off. All the bad hoes wanna top us. Oh, come on. Just give me something good. Okay, we'll do it till this 100K is up. Oh, okay, someone guess the song right now. This one's a bit harder, so I'll give you a hint. It's Young Thug. 3, 2, 1. Future Swag. I'm fucking your baby mama. I'm fucking your baby mama. Baby mama. I need some bread for your baby mama. Ow. What? That's the best dude? Okay, we gotta... Alright, right here. This is the final pack right here. Okay, that was my pack unopening. I'm done with this gas game.